Who doesn't love barbecue? Well, today we have something nice for you. Let's go. Hey everybody, Chef Damien here at eatahfood, and today we have for you a beautiful passion fruit barbecue ribs with a nice barbecue red beans and a special side order, but we will get to that later on. So let me get to this thing now. So what is barbecue without a nice sauce to go with it? I mean to say, so we have for you today a passion fruit barbecue sauce. Very simple to make. I'm sure most of these things you have in your pantry home. So let's make it. First thing first, we put in our passion fruit puree. Added to that, a little bit of mustard, a little Winchester sauce, tomato puree, a little ketchup, a little black pepper, some salt, some sugar, brown sugar, and the special Trini flavor, bay leaves. We stir that in and we leave in this to reduce for about 15 minutes. Make sure to keep an eye on it because it can bubble over. So we have here a beautiful piece of ribs from Massey Stores. Most times when you're creating a rub for our ribs, you need a lot of different seasonings. Fortunately for us, we have our Cuisine Zesty rib rub. Listen to me. Basically, all the ingredients you need for a proper rub, you have in this. I'm talking about salt, paprika, black pepper, nutmeg, sugar, sage, onions. Listen, everything you need, you have in this. So let me get to it now. You know, all over. You're spreading your rub back. You're making sure and get the rub in. So we add in our rest of ingredients. A little mustard, a little Winchester sauce, a little ketchup, some black pepper, and we rubbing this in. Remember, you want to totally cover both sides with your rub. Make sure and get into all the crevices. Yeah, don't be afraid to massage it in, man. We want to make sure every part of this covered. Right, so we finished season up. Let's put this in the oven. Now, because we kind of smart here, we have one already finished. The ribs takes on average 2.5 to 3 hours to cook properly. So let me get the one that we have finished already, and let's put our beautiful passion fruit glaze that we prepared earlier. Stay tuned. All right, so we have our ribs here. We have, remember, the passion fruit sauce. Look at this loveliness, thick and rich. So we're gonna finish our ribs now. So again, just as we did with the rub, you're making sure and cover the entire rib. Be generous with it now. Show it some love. Remember, we want to glaze both sides. Back in the oven, 20 minutes max, and you're good to go. So we have to do the barbecue red beans. So we have everything here provided by Cuisine. So let's get to this now. Starting with a little oil, nothing much, just a little bit. Our pot is already heated, so let's saute our aromatics. We have onions, we have garlic, we have some ginger. Let's saute that for a bit till it gets a little translucent. We add in our pumpkin, sweet peppers, and our chive or scallions, however you want to call it. And let this come together for a bit. All right, so to this now, we add in our red beans. Yes. And now mix that in. Yep. We add in our tomato paste, Worcester sauce, and a little mustard for a little added zing. Yes, beautiful colors, because you know, we eat with our eyes. A little black pepper, just a little bit of brown sugar, nothing much, just for added sweetness. We stir that in and we cover and leave for about 15 minutes. So peas ready, ribs almost ready. We have our cornbread here. Look for the full recipe for the cornbread in our website. Time to plate up, time to eat. Let's go. So yes, this is it. What we've been waiting on, the ribs out of the oven, looking, yes, it looking and smelling as good. Oh my. Let's do this. Let's cut it up. You want a piece of this? Come on, let's cut. Like butter. Watch out that. That is how ribs supposed to look. Trust me, I know. I'm hungry too. So, this is it, you know. Our ribs, our cornbread, our red beans. Now we going for a taste now, man. It's hot, but I don't even mind. You hear that? That is the perfect bite. It was more than worth it. Cheers. So yes, there you have it. Barbecue ribs, barbecue red beans with cornbread to bring together all that goodness. We want to thank Cuisine for providing us with these great products. Remember, you can get Cuisine goods at Massey stores nationwide. So yes, time to get back to my ribs. I mean to say, calling my name. Y'all stay safe.